puddles from the rain. You could see it in the ditch there. Trying to enlarge it a little bit. At our end, it's not much with the puddles, but at the other end, where the bus stop is, down that end there, holy poop. And there's the puddle in front of my shed. It's about ankle deep, even though it don't look like it. I go in that, my sneakers are gonna get stuck in there and I won't get them out. So I don't go in when it's flooded like that. As you see, it's muddy in some spots. That ditch has some water in it. Not sure what tree they're in. None on the pole today. It rained terrible this morning from about 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. Holy poop. These birds sure are going to drive people's cats nuts. Sorry, I was unsteady a minute. I thought I heard something. Sounds like one bird coming from this way. No, squirrels in the seating area. That's where they usually all are. The squirrels in the seating area and the trees. The twigs that we just heard, is that guy there in his yard. It's one of the neighbors. I really didn't want to get him on the video, but can't make out who it is. One of the cows are mooing. Bird flying. Glad I got that. Was flying amongst those trees. Going to end this video shortly.